Hello and welcome to another edition of What Won't This Thing Do Like It's Supposed to? Now coffee, check it out. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel with another dicking around in the shed. Today we're going to do the bars finally. Yeah, you watched last week. Anyway, from that intro, we'll get set up. This is a rain sock for my filter deal. Yeah. Alright, here's what we at. I didn't cover my tank up. Took the little thing out so I could pull this part and took all that off. I'll show you. There's a little, first, that little piece there, so you want to take your key thing out. There's a little tab there underneath it. You just push it and gently and pull that out. And then you can take that thing and kind of lay it back. But I went ahead and took these off. The other part of it, they just pull together, so with little tabs. So yeah, that's where we at now. That's where we can get to the wires and everything. They say we don't have to extend the no extension needed on a 12-inch, so we'll find out. So let's take off all this accessory stuff I got on here. It needs to be out of the way. Mirrors and, yeah, you know, add-on stuff. Let's get that out of the way. Alright, I went ahead and took my speedometer off, unplugged all the wires, and I think I did. Everything that's going up in the handlebars. So, we can pull, there's that's some kind of ground right there, looks like. It stays on. Okay, so now we're ready to take this little cap thing off here, and it's a Allen head 1 1/4. So let's pop that sucker off. Remember to protect your tank. See how that failed? Have a table close by so you can. There you go. I got my bar off. Don't mind that. We didn't need that. Alright, let's see what the other one looks like. Am I going to like them? There's a pin there. Somebody said you can drive that out if you don't like your something. Well, that's what they're going to look like when I get the other stuff on, and I have to figure out where I want to put them. But yeah, and I think, yeah, we might be in some more trouble than we, yeah, let's hope not. Oh boy, yeah, see a problem. Problem is the holes that you got to bring all them bolts out is right down the bottom. Great. Well, as you can see, you probably can't, I will remove this part now. I gotta, dang it, something else to take off. I'm frustrated. Yeah, not really. Just, yeah, it's a lot of work. That's why I work hard enough so I don't have to do my work on my labor, if that makes sense. But I'm doing it because I'm a sadist, I guess. I want the punishment. Oh, shit. I'm assuming that's probably some kind of ground. So, not even much grooving in there, but they got that pin. You can tap out if you was using, I think KST, I don't know. I almost decided to just go buy a KST, but them 2 bolts right here that holds this on, you can get to them. It's just not easy, and them little zip ties they got in there cut you. I'm just, yeah. Thank you, bring your bars. It'll be fine, they said. just cause that, why do you do it? Because somebody else did it, and it looks cool. That's it. Just looks cool. Safety tip for the day, or tip for the day, when you cut zip ties off, pick them up so you don't, they hurt your knees, what I'm saying. Here's another little tip. Use a nut and some 520 cord. Take one of the cords out of it, because it's 520 in one of them 520 cords. Yeah, or paracord as some people call it. Tie a nut on it and just let it do its job. It's going gravity, you know, science. Well, I got one wire through. Now, well, I got a string through. Now I got to put the, yeah. Let me get back to it. A lot of cussing. Well, let's don't lose that. Welcome back to Dickin Around in the Shed. Today, like I said, well, you didn't say it, but this is day 2 of handlebars installed. Yesterday kicked my butt. Well, what kicked my butt was trying to put the wires back through the thing, and what I ended up doing, only one side gave me problem. That was the throttle side and all. But I got this 3/4 loom stuff. I think I got it off Amazon, maybe eBay. But it's plastic, and it's like a Chinese. So, you know, like that. Used it in the POS 10 when I was wiring. And this is what I ran. So this gave it protection. And it was easy to run once I figured out how to do it. How I did it was, I put my control wire through there, through one that's separate. And then I stuck the other one like this, if this was it, down in here, ran it down in here. It was in its own one. So the throttle thing has got two different. And when I got down here, I cut it, and this was right here at the end, save it was, and I just pulled it through, and hopefully I didn't break it. But so finally it came through there with the other wire. So now it's got double wire on one side. The other side was pretty easy because you didn't have to run but the control rods. But it took a lot of pulling and a lot of cussing and a lot of fussing, and yeah, so I got the bars back on. That's where we at now. Buttoning, reinstalled. Yep. Like I said, we is at this point, and I probably got to loosen these back up. And here's my wire, all my wires down here, and I need to fix this ground wire or something. I think this wire got to be put somewhere. That's wires for the other side too, and this side here. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I think I like the way the angle is. So let's go ahead and put the, there's a plug there. What did it plug up to? All back of the speedo. Yeah. So let's get the cables back up here. See, it's the clutch lever that goes in there, like so. And yeah, because it's got to go. That's got to go. Yeah, because I got to loosen this back up and put that under it. Plus, I need to go ahead and put my throttle. Yeah, let's do all that while we do it here. Just loosen this up a little bit. I can take it off. Just enough to get that thing out and get my. Oh, that's the old ones. Running another obstacle. I gotta Dremel this off that little hole because Harley's stupid. Alright, I got that kind of ground down. It's, yeah, you need a little Dremel. It's aluminum, so it just clogs up here. I was able to cut it off and work it around, but it wasn't pretty. But we got it. This is the perch mount to hold the clutch on. And I've got that in my wrong hand. Let's switch hands here. Because you need 3 hands to do this. Get that back on there where it's supposed to go in there. And get that button on. started. Alright, let me find the thing I just dropped. And I'll be right back. Alright, we got the bars hooked up and it's come a thunderstorm and Bohannon's in here and he's up under my feet. I mean, I can't move without him right beside me. So I got both the grips on. And I had a scare that I turned the switch on and tried to push the buttons and then I realized I didn't have nothing plugged up. Let's plug up and see if it's fired up. How about that? See if we got everything where we need it to be. It's running. Well, I can put everything back together. One note is I pulled the dash off. You gotta go in and hold this button down and hopefully you can clear it. There's a YouTube, you can do it. Yeah. All my controls work, so hey, that's a win in my book. I just gotta tighten everything back up, put all them gauges back together and all like that. But hey, when we so it's working, yay! I got it back together. I like the way they look. I look like a big old tough biker now, don't I? Got my big old 8 hangers. Yeah, I wouldn't call these 8 hangers, 8 but 12s. Oh, but I'm setting, this is what you want. You want your shoulders kind of in line. You don't want your arms up here like this to get tired. If you're sitting like this, not so bad. All my controls in the same spot. Might have to work on this. I might need something else. I don't know. Kinda, yeah. That was the hardest part, getting that line back up. We're good. We're good, Bohannon. He's scared of the wind and the thunder and the lightning and all. All right then. I don't want to get off. Let's put this back on. All right. We're ready to go now. All right, here goes the looks, just so y'all can see it up close. Tell me that don't look like a bad mama hama jama. Yep. Thank you, Ben. Thumbs up. And that one chick, he likes his channel. I got his old bars, so win-win. What you think about it, Bohannon? Alright, he's ready to go in the house. He said he's raining and it's thundering and he wants to go hide under the bed if he could get under it. So I appreciate you sticking around to the end of this upgrade Lucille. She's got new motor, kinda. Cam, new bars. We're ready for 23 to get to going somewhere. You can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe buttons over here, right there, and it's free. Later. Hang on.